the right place at the right time, so I'll just dive right in. Okay, chicken, you're looking kind of creepy. Has anyone ever been attacked by a chicken before? Yes? Oh, that's a lot of yeses, of course! Has everyone been attacked by a chicken at least once in their life? Cause I drown my forgiveness, lying face down. Yes, yes. A no! A few no's. Have you ever... Okay, for the people who said no, have you ever been around chickens? Hmm? You slashed it? When I was very, very young, thousands of years ago, when I was very young, I wanted to pet a chicken, and it attacked me. I was following it, and then I tried to pet it. It didn't care, but it just moved away, and I kept following it. Then I didn't even try to touch it again, and it went after me, and I ran. And onlookers laughed at me. Don't get close to adult chickens. They're like, yeah, they're like little dinosaurs, little T-Rex. Right? Dinosaur.